Hi guys, here I am at TJ Maxx. Let's take a look at their bags, guys. Okay, so this purse right here is an Anne Klein. I'm loving that chain, guys. And that's $29.99. Then I have this big one back here. Let me see what that is. That's interesting. Look at the inside. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Let me see if I see a tag. It's all the way back here. Okay, so this tag is $249.99. Wow. Let me show it to you. See it? That's beautiful. That's a beautiful bag. Here's another Anne Klein for $24.99. Look at the straps. This one is the Malibu Sky, vegan approved, $29.99 for that bag. Okay, here's another Anne Klein. Those are $24.99. So you have this bag down here. And this bag, guys, this La Mille, that one is $24.99. And I think that one is La Isabel. That one back there is Isabel, $29.99. So then here's another Jessica Simpson bag. That one, guys, is $27.99. Here, and here's another. These are all Jessica Simpson bags. So let's see. What is this one? So, Like Dreams, $29.99. This one here is an Aldo bag. That one, guys, is $29.99. So look at this cute bag. Isn't that cute? The little lock and the ribbon. Let me see who makes this bag. It's $24.99. It's an Aldo bag, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? So then you have another Anne Klein back here, and it comes with a little change purse, $24.99. And look at this. Guys, that's such a pretty tote. Okay, so that one is a Madison West, and that one, guys, is $34.99. Then we have this Michael Kors. Oh my God, I never seen this before. $79.99. Then you have this Michael Kors bag. Oh, how pretty. $79.99 for that bag. Look at it, guys. Gorgeous. Then you have this bag right here. This is very pretty too. Okay. So let me move this one back and then this one forward. Okay, so this bag, I'm loving that leather. This is a Calvin Klein bag, guys. The leather is absolutely gorgeous. So let's see. That bag is $39.99. That's an awesome price for that bag. Here's a Michael Kors bag, guys. Crossbody, it looks like. And that is $79.99. Then look at this one. This leather, guys, feels so nice. This is reduced to $104. And it comes with the crossbody strap. I like that. This is very well made. So this is the tag of the company that makes this bag. Okay, and then you have this bag here. Let me see. That price is $29.99. And I don't want to butcher that name, so there's the tag. Here's an Anne Klein bag over here. And then that price, guys, I can't even see the tag. Let's see. It's probably $29.99. And then look at this one. And look at this one, guys. $34.99. And that one is Antique Craft. And here's some totes over here. Look at this one. Guys, look at this bag. Isn't this beautiful? Okay. So this bag over here, okay, comes with the purse, and it comes with the sack inside of it to carry it. $34.99. That's a beautiful bag. Okay, and then look at this gold one, guys. That's a beautiful bag. Okay, so that's $34.99, and there's the clutch that goes with it. So this one here is $16.99, and that is Urban. Did I see that right? Urban. Okay, so here's an Anne Klein bag, guys. Very pretty. I'm loving those chains. $19.99. Then here's a small Michael Kors, and that one is reduced to $64. And here's another Michael Kors, $79.99. And then you have this bag here. So that one is reduced, guys. These are reduced. This is $11. Now, who makes this bag? Okay, here's the other one. That one's reduced to $11. Okay, so this, guys, is a 9 West bag. Isn't that beautiful? $14.99. Then there's an MK bag back here. Look how pretty that is, guys. That one is $69.99. And then here's another MK bag. And that one, guys, is $109.99. This is an Elliott Luca. So let's see. That one is $49.99. And then this bag, isn't that pretty? This is Sandra Roberts, $39.99. Look at that. So here's a Steve Madden bag, guys, and that one is $24. And then look at this one. That one is $22, $22.99. Then this one, guys, look at that one. This is Chaps, and that's $24.99. And then here you have that Enzo, that Italian leather, guys. This is expensive. This is this one here is $29.99. His bags can get expensive though. Then this pretty one right here is $24.99 with a little ID. I think that's an ID case. Anne Klein. Okay. So then you have this Kate Spade. Look at that. Oh my God. Feels like animal hair. Okay, so that Kate Spade bag, guys, is $99.99. Isn't that gorgeous? Then look at this one. This is a Calvin Klein. That is so beautiful. Okay, so that Calvin Klein bag, where is the tag? That one doesn't have, oh no, I'm sorry, it's right in front of me. $59.99. That's nice. So then this bag here, that orangey color bag. Okay, I don't know. Let me see. I know the bag is $39.99. I don't know who makes that bag, but look at this one, guys. Look at this bag, $24.99. I like that bag. It's a nice summer bag. Izzy and Allie. Okay, so then here's a Michael Kors bag. I like that bag, guys. Very nice. $129.99. And then look at this pink. I think this is one of the vegan approved bags. Le Mio. I hope I'm saying that right. $16.99. And let's see this red one. Valentino. And that, oh my goodness, am I reading that price right? That Valentino bag is $249.99. This bag right here. Guys, that bag should be in a case. That's expensive. Okay, here's a 9 West bag for $29.99, guys. Kate Spade tote. That's cute, isn't it? Let me see. How much is the price? That one is $79.99. And here's a Michael Kors crossbody bag for $49.99. And then this one over here, guys, Steve Madden for $34.99. And this Michael Kors bag, guys, in this color is $80. So this is a nice color green. That's $34.99, vegan approved. And let's see. That's Antique Crafts. Then here is another one of these vegan bags. This is the Malibu Sky, $29.99. And this is another Jessica Simpson bag, guys, in this color green. She has that bag in multiple colors. So here's another Jessica Simpson bag. That mustard yellow for $27.99. Here is a Kate's, oh no, I'm sorry, this is Lynette Lepore. This bag right here, guys, is $29.99. This is a nice color fall bag. Isn't that a nice color bag? So this one, guys, is $34.99. Now what is that back there? We have got to see that bag back there. Oh my goodness, I never seen that one. Nor did I ever see the other one either. Okay, so this, okay, I thought it was bigger than what it was. This bag right here is Urban Expressions, and that one is, look at it. And that one is $16.99, and then that bag right there is the Saks, $49.99. Has that little tassel. So then this one, look at this little clutch that comes with this bag. Sasha and Sophie, and that one, that bag right there was reduced to $22. There it is. So then this bag here, guys, Madison West, it says bag in a bag. Is that what it says? Yeah, bag in a bag. That's $34.99. And look at this green one, guys. So that one, what is that one? That's vegan approved. Let's see. La Meal. Lord, I hope I'm saying that right, guys. Okay, so this one, guys, is $24.99. And this blue bag is Sandra Roberts for $39.99. I show you this one. This one with the clutch. Let me see. This is MW, Authentic Original. And let me see the bag here. $34.99. Okay, I don't know. I think I showed you these bags, guys. Oh, look at this one over here. I gotta show you these. I don't know if you remember. I might have shown you this before. This bag is still here. So this one is $29.99, and I don't see the tag of who makes it. It's not beautiful. So then you have this one here. And this bag is $129.99. Guys, who makes this? I don't see a tag or a name. Then they have this bag here, is Anne Klein. And that one, let's see, the tag is on this side. That one is $29.99. Then here's another Anne Klein for $24.99. Then, let's see. So this is, what's the price to this? This one is $19.99. That one is a Calvin Klein bag, guys, and this one is $39.99. And look at this Anne Klein. It's not pretty with that ribbon. $29.99, guys. Let's see. I like that white bag. That's Jessica Simpson. That's $34. And then here it is in a different color. And then look at this one. This is a Ralph Lauren. This is $39.99. I like that bag. And these are the vegan approved bags. I'm not sure. I think those are Isabel. Klein bag right here. This is $29.99. Here's a Calvin Klein bag. That one is reduced to $56. And here's a BB. Okay, so that BB one is $24. And this red one here is Calvin Klein. So look how that bag looks. And that one is $39.99. It's a nice color green. So that bag there is $29.99. And the tag says La Meal. And look at this one. I think this is Jessica Simpson because these bags all looking the same. Jessica Simpson. So that one is $39.99. The video, let's see, $29.99. Isn't that beautiful? That's Steve Madden right there. And that one is $22.99. That's very pretty. So what is this? Lynette Lepore for this bag here. And that one is, I don't know if I don't see a tag. What is this one? So this is Tommy. And this bag is $22.99. And this is Anne Klein. That crossbody bag is $19.99. Guys, I like this. And look at this one. You know, I think I might have shown you this bag before. They just move them around. Tommy Bahama, $39.99 for that bag. Isn't that beautiful? Here's a round Tommy bag. That one is $22.99. And then I know I showed you this one because I absolutely love that bag. It's a Ralph Lauren, and that one is $59.99, guys. So let's see. This is a Ralph Lauren crossbody, $39.99. Look at these, guys. Look at this beautiful bag, $29.99. And that one is made in Vietnam. Very beautiful. And there's the other one. That one is $19.99, and that is, it's handcrafted in Vietnam, and it's collection 18. So they have a lot of those. And then look at this one. See, handcrafted, made in Vietnam. Very beautiful, $29.99. Okay, guys, thank you for coming. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, I thought I was done. They have this style too. Aren't they beautiful, guys? I love that hand done stuff. Thank you for coming with me to TJ Maxx to look at their bags, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.